Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Luigi Versaza, and this is gonna be our first tech review or tech video this year. So on this video, we're gonna be reviewing the Sabinetek SmartMike Plus. So this microphone is actually similar to the one that we previously reviewed, which is the Sabinetek SmartMike Lite. So if you haven't watched the review video that I did on this microphone right here, just click on the link up here. Actually, their specifications are almost the same, but they have a few differences from its design and features. So before I give you a short overview of this product, let's just see what is inside the box of the Sabinetek SmartMike Plus. With that said, let's get started. The Sabinetek SmartMike Plus is a wireless lavalier microphone which is powered by the Bluetooth technology. It has a very slim and compact design, a real-time mixing feature, and the best feature of this microphone is the 4-level noise reduction technology, which is, in my opinion, one of the best noise reduction technology on a wireless microphone. I actually made some sample videos while I'm on the beach to test out the noise reduction of this microphone, and boy, you can really hear the difference once you activated the noise reduction feature. So the question is, what made the SmartMike Plus different from the SmartMike Lite? Number one is the design. The design pattern of the SmartMike Plus is different from the SmartMike Lite. I also noticed that the microphone grill is on the side compared to the SmartMike Lite, which is located on the top. Number two is TR mode. The SmartMike Plus can also be used as a receiver for other smart mics. You can pair another smart mic to have two simultaneous recording, which is very useful in vlogs and interviews. Number three is compatibility. Since the SmartMike Plus can be used as a receiver, it also widened the compatibility on where you can use the microphone. Instead of just using it on a smartphone, you can now use the SmartMike on DSLR or mirrorless cameras. But of course, you need two smart mics and the TRS to TRSS cable to make it work. Enough with the specification, so let's switch the microphone to the SmartMike so you can hear the difference. So right now, you are hearing from the Sabinetek SmartMike Plus. And if you will compare it to the Lensgo 348C, which is I'm using earlier, this is more compact and it looks better on camera since it's very stylish and it's not as bulky as the Lensgo 348C. And if you want it to keep hidden, you can always put this inside your shirt, and it's now less noticeable when you're speaking in front of the camera. To enable TR mode, first you have to disable all nearby Bluetooth devices. Then press and hold the receiver for 10 seconds until it turns to blinking red and green. After that, press and hold the transmitter for 10 seconds until both lights on the devices turns to breathing mode. On TR mode, you can adjust the gain or the volume by single tapping the power button on the receiver, and you can adjust the noise reduction by double tapping the power button on the transmitter. You can monitor the output by plugging the headset on the receiver before you connect it on the camera. So guys, what do you think about the quality of the Sabinetek SmartMike Plus? I want to know your thoughts by commenting on the comment section below. If you like this product, you can purchase it on the link that I'll be providing on the description. You can also get a 10% discount if you're gonna use my referral code when you buy this product. Again, I will be providing the code and the link on the description below. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and a comment. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to my channel if you love tech reviews like this. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys on my next videos. And before I forget, we still have another product from Sabinetek, and this is the Sabinetek AI Pod. This is a really cool product, especially for those content creators out there. So if you want to see what this AI Pod can do, make sure you are subscribed because I will be reviewing this product and I will be uploading it soon on this channel. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.